Hello everyone, I am Pavitra Devi working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to take the class about overview of the mass storage. Let me discuss, overview of the mass storage. Mass storage is nothing but refers to the system or devices store the large volume of data in long-term use. It is volatile or non-volatile. It is the volatile memory, meaning it retains the data over. When the power is turned off, mass storage is essential for storing files and then application, operating system and backup and more than. Let me discuss what is storage device. Storage device is nothing but storage unit. It is part of computer system which is employed to store the information and instruction to be processed. A storage device is the integral part of computer hardware which stores the information or data process the result any computational works. Without storage device, computer would not be able to turn, run or boot apart. Or the other words, we can say that storage device is the hardware that is used for storing, porting and exacting data files. It can also information or data both temporarily or permanently. Okay, permanently stored. Mass storage refers to the system designed to store large amount of data over the long period. Okay, it's crucial for the business, the data center and personal use, ensuring the availability and security and also efficiency. Okay, next one. Next one, types of magnetic storage. There are a lot of types there. Now let me discuss now. First one is magnetic storage. Magnetic storage having two types. One for hard disk drive and then solid disk drive. Hard disk drive is nothing but common in personal computers and servers. Affordable but slower than solid server disk. Next one, magnetic tape. Magnetic tape is used for archival storage due to high capacity and low cost. It is high capacity but cost is very low. Next one, solid state storage. Solid state drive faster than hard disk drive. Okay, it's no moving parts, common in high performance system. Next one, flash storage. Flash storage is nothing but USB. Okay, USB cable or SD cards. It is portable and durable, but it limited in lifespan. Next one, optical storage. Optical storage is nothing but CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc. It is used for the backup and media storage, but becoming the obsolete. Next one, cloud storage. Cloud storage is for example for Google Drive, Dropbox, AWS S3, Microsoft OpenDrive. It is for the examples of the Google storage. Offers scalability and remote access but depend on the internet connectivity. Internet connectivity is loose, it cannot store the information in drive. Next one, network and enterprise storage, that is called as NAS. NAS is nothing but network and enterprise storage. It is centralized storage accessible over the network. It is the centralized one, and the storage area network is a high speed dedicated storage network for the enterprises. Next one, future of mass storage system. Okay, there are lot of future is there in the storage system. We will discuss. First one is high capacity. High capacity is nothing but store large volume of data efficiently. Okay, it is the efficiently volume of data. Next one, data redundancy and backup. It is nothing but ensure the data integrity and recovery. Okay, it is called as data redundancy and backup files. Next one, accessibility. Accessibility is nothing but available of locally hard disk drive or solid disk drive or remotely, otherwise network availability. It is also what kind of way we are accessing the storage devices. Next one, performance optimization, faster read, write speed and then solid state and cache memory. It is called as performance based on optimization. And security and encryption is nothing but encryption is protect against the data breaches. It is called security and encryption. These are all the features of the mass storage system. Next one, mass storage management techniques. There are a lot of techniques there. Let me discuss only few mass storage techniques. First one is RAID model. RAID model is nothing but redundant array of independent disk. It is improve the performance and redundancy. It is called as RAID model. The data duplication, compression, reduce the storage space requirements, and then try to storage, use different type of storage media based on the frequencies, and backup and discovery, disaster recovery, ensure the data safety and against the failures. Next one, storage visualization, combine multiple physical storage unit into the single one logical system. It is called as storage virtualization. The basic common example for magnetic disk drive: floppy disk, hard disk, GIF disk. It is the common examples of magnetic disk. Next one, the basic structure of magnetic disk. The mechanical arm that travel across the resolving magnetic surface, known the platter, make up the majority of the magnetic disk. They come together to make comb. Both reading form from the writing to the disk done using the mechanical arms. The magnetization process is used to read and write the magnetic disk. One or more disc shaped platters with a magnetic material covering them, unlike floppy disks, which are composed of the more flexible plastic. Hard disk platter are built in the stiff metal. There are difference between the floppy disk and hard drive. And then there are two work areas in each plat. The very top and bottom surface of the stack platters were occasionally avoided by the older hard disk drive because there are more prone the damage, even breaking the some cases. The arm headed sides across the platter surface, while it continue to spin rapidly to hit flat on the smaller layer of the air, since the entire optics is and hermetically sealed. Tiny patches of the disk surface or magnetized the data is saved when the smaller current deliver the headed. When the headed is need to read the data, the little current could be delivered to each tiny location on the platters. Thank